Welcome back to the channel. The F-35 Lightning II stands as one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world today, embodying a new era of multi-role combat aircraft that merge stealth, agility, and advanced avionics into a single, lethal platform. Developed by Lockheed Martin, the F-35 is not just a fighter, it's a complete air dominance system built to meet the needs of modern warfare across air, land, and sea. At first glance, the F-35's angular design immediately reveals its stealth with capabilities. Every contour, edge, and material is engineered to reduce radar cross-section, allowing it to evade enemy detection and operate deep within contested environments. The shining white paint variant isn't standard in combat but represents a stylized concept used in showcases and simulations for clarity and contrast, especially in digital renderings or demonstrations. This gives it an almost alien presence, smooth, sharp, and intimidating. Underneath its aerodynamic skin is a single Pratt & Whitney F-135 afterburning turbofan engine capable of producing over 43,000 pounds of thrust. This gives the jet the speed of around Mach 1.6 and the ability to climb vertically with astonishing speed. It can operate at altitudes above 50,000 feet and boasts a combat radius exceeding 1,000 kilometers, making it suitable for long-range strike missions, interception, and aerial dominance. The cockpit of the F-35 is a marvel of modern avionics. It's built for a single pilot and features a panoramic touchscreen display that replaces the cluttered dials and switches of older generation jets. Pilots interact with the jet using voice commands, touchscreen gestures, and a sophisticated helmet-mounted display system. This helmet is one of the most futuristic pieces of gear in the entire aircraft. It allows the pilot to see through the airframe using external cameras, project targeting data directly onto the visor, and maintain situational awareness like never before. In terms of weaponry, the F-35 is fully mission-capable and versatile. It carries a combination of internal and external weapons depending on the operation. Internally, it can house up to 4 missiles or bombs in its stealth mode to maintain a low radar profile. These can include AIM-120, AMRAAMs, JDAMs, and other precision-guided munitions. When stealth is less of a priority, external hardpoints can be equipped, allowing the aircraft to carry up to 22,000 pounds of ordnance. Its electronic warfare suite is state-of-the-art. It can jam enemy radars, track enemy signals, and disrupt missile guidance systems. The onboard computer processes more data per second than any other fighter aircraft in existence, allowing the pilot to operate not just as a combatant, but as a command and control node for other allied units. This kind of networked warfare is exactly what the modern battlefield demands. The F-35 comes in 3 variants: F-35A4, conventional takeoff and landing, F-35B for short takeoff and vertical landing, and F-35C4 carrier-based operations. This means that whether you're launching from an airbase, a small amphibious assault ship, or the deck of an aircraft carrier, there's a variant of the F-35 designed for the mission. One of the standout features of the F-35 is its low absorption. With embedded antennas, serrated edges, and radar-absorbent materials, it's virtually invisible to enemy radar systems. Combined with its superior sensors, it can detect enemy aircraft long before they detect it, allowing the F-35 to strike first and disappear before a counterattack can be launched. Another impressive characteristic is the F-35's ability to fuse data from multiple sensors into a single, coherent view of the battle space. This fusion is shared not only with the pilot but also with ground forces, naval ships, and other aircraft, turning the F-35 into a force multiplier that enhances the effectiveness of every allied unit on the battlefield. Maneuverability is another, a strong point, especially in the F-35B variant, which is capable of vertical landing and hovering thanks to its unique lift fan system. While not as agile as the F-22 Raptor in pure dogfighting scenarios, the F-35 more than compensates with stealth, sensor superiority, and electronic warfare capabilities. In actual deployment, the F-35 has already proven its value. It has been used in real combat situations by countries like Israel and the United States, demonstrating its ability to penetrate heavily defended airspace, destroy strategic targets, and return safely without detection. Its role in joint exercises has also shown how easily it can dominate simulated threats and coordinate with other systems. From a global perspective, the F-35 is currently in use or on order by over a dozen allied nations, making it not only the centerpiece of American air power but also a key player in international defense partnerships. Its interoperability and upgrade path ensure that it remains a dominant force for decades to come. Despite its power, the F-35 hasn't been without criticism. Its development saw cost overruns and technical delays, and there have been ongoing debates about maintenance complexity and logistical support. However, most of those issues have been addressed through successive software updates, training improvements, and sustainment strategies. The F-35 also integrates artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms that help monitor system health, predict maintenance needs, and even assist in threat assessment during missions. These features reduce pilot workload and increase mission efficiency in complex combat environments. Another detail worth noting is the jet's low infrared signature. The design of the engine exhaust nozzle and heat shielding keeps it less visible to heat-seeking missiles, further improving survivability. This is especially important in modern warfare where infrared-guided systems are commonplace. The lighting systems, flight control surfaces, and composite structure are all designed with one goal in mind: superiority in all domains, whether flying low over terrain, patrolling at high altitudes, or engaging in maritime strike roles. The F-35 adapts seamlessly to mission requirements. Its maintenance systems are digitally integrated, allowing ground crews to quickly assess what needs service and reduce aircraft downtime. This is essential for keeping a high sortie rate and maintaining fleet readiness in active operations. Fuel efficiency and operational range also play a part. The aircraft can perform aerial refueling and support both single-ship and coordinated squadron missions across vast operational theaters. When equipped with external fuel tanks, it extends its reach even further while maintaining versatility in strike roles. The F-35 represents more than just a leap in aircraft technology. It is a shift in how air power is conceived, designed, and deployed. With its combination of stealth, speed, intelligence, and versatility, it defines fifth-generation fighter capability in both defensive and offensive operations. In summary, the F-35 Lightning II is not just an aircraft, it's a strategic asset. Whether flying solo deep into enemy territory, coordinating with unmanned systems, or dominating the skies alongside allied fleets, it brings unmatched capability to the modern military landscape. It's a symbol of future warfare where information, stealth, and precision work in harmony. The white showroom presentation may only be for display, but beneath that polished finish lies one of the deadliest machines ever built for air combat.